broadcasting from the Public Relations Department in Bangkok.
Thailand Outlook.
Sawadee. Welcome to another episode of Thailand Outlook, the News Digest program broadcasting from Radio Thailand FM 88 and also online at prdee.pod.go.th and Kachan.with.th. First up on our show, Chulalongkorn University has taken a significant step towards climate action by signing a Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, for the Ocean Negative Carbon Emissions, or ONCE initiative, a project under the UN's Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development. This agreement positions Chulalongkorn as the ONCE Asia hub. This fosters research and data collection on oceanic carbon reduction alongside the Research Center for Ocean Negative Carbon Emissions in Qimen, China. The hub will serve as a regional center for knowledge sharing and will focus on human resource development, enabling researchers, students, and academics to really gain insights into ocean climate interactions and develop strategies for climate change adaptation. And this partnership underscores Chulalongkorn University's commitment to environmental sustainability, aligning with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. And as we transition into our next story, we'll see another major collaboration shaping higher education in Thailand. In a significant academic collaboration, Thammasat University has joined hands with the University of Bristol in the United Kingdom to launch dual degree programs in political science. The programs established by Thammasat's Faculty of Political Science allow master's and final year undergraduate students to earn 2 degrees
and social spheres. It outlines an aim to equip young people with skills that align with labor market demands, fostering partnerships between young talent and companies seeking human resources. Noted during speeches at the seminar was the fact that the Youth for Future project aligns with the ministry's goals, supporting youth employment initiatives and nurturing a generation of skilled and quality leaders for Thailand's economic and social advancement. The seminar and its outcomes paved the way for a positive impact on the youths and residents of Yala and neighboring provinces, providing them with access to employment opportunities and preparing them for fulfilling careers aligned with their aspirations. The success of young people from these provinces is expected to enrich and uplift their communities, aiding in the effort to better the South away from past conflict and hardship.
With sunny beaches for summer and misty mountains for winter, Thailand has no low season and is a prime travel destination year-round, offering cultural as well as creative travel alongside natural attractions. There's always more to see and do in Thailand. Strengthened by government support, visitors can endlessly explore unique Thai identities and sights, no matter the season.
On radio, online, and on your mobile. This is Radio Thailand FM 88.
Public Relations Department of the Royal Thai Government. This is Radio Thailand News.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
Today is Sunday, November 10th, 2024. And this is Radio Thailand's Evening News Hour. I'm Duong Rat Song Sawang.
and I'm the Anupong.
Making the national headlines this evening. The government launches the 5 must-do, 72 must-try campaign to boost domestic tourism in the year's final months. Meanwhile, the Ministry of Finance reports progress in addressing informal debt in Thailand.
Looking at the global scene, Qatar says it has suspended its key mediation efforts between Hamas and Israel after growing frustration with the lack of progress on a ceasefire deal for Gaza.
On the business agenda, the Ministry of Commerce holds a meeting to assess the economic implications of the recent U.S. presidential election.
We will now give you the details on those headlines and many more.
National News.
Brought to you by Bangkok Airways, Asia's boutique airline, now flies direct, Bangkok to Phnom Penh daily.
This is the national news. Headlines from Bangkok and around Thailand. The government, through the Ministry of Tourism and Sports, has launched the 5 must-do, 72 must-try campaign to boost domestic tourism in the year's final months. Now, the campaign introduces institutions, includes programs such as debt repayment loans for informal debt and the revolving fund for low-income farmers to support registered informal debtors. Now, to tackle informal lending issues, the ministry has promoted PICO Finance as a legal small-scale lending solution at the provincial level. By October 2024, 1,143 entities were licensed to operate PICO Finance across 75 provinces, with loans totaling 44.7 billion baht dispersed across more than 4.6 million accounts.